In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can adjust volume in Google Chrome tab separately using Volume Master. So let's get started. So open Google Chrome on your Windows. Now you have to click on the three dots and then select extensions and click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Now simply type Volume Master. Click on Volume Master. Click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Okay, now open a new tab and close the other tabs. And then click on this icon, extensions, and then you can pin the volume master. Now let's visit YouTube. So here, if I'm going to open one video and then open another one, open a new tab again, and then youtube.com. Okay, so here you have to open the volume master or click on the volume master extension. So here you can adjust the volume of each tab. You can set this to 600%, which is to the maximum volume. And you can also lower the volume for this tab. So each tab opened with videos in it or YouTube, the volume can be, okay, the volume can be lowered or can be increased. So this tab could have a lower volume, or in this video could have a lower volume, and the second tab with this video could have a higher volume. Okay? And that's how you can easily do that. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.